Ladies and gentlemen, good evening and welcome. The leader of the opposition in the Lok Sabha, topmost Congress leader, ladies and gentlemen, Sonia Gandhi's right-hand man, Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary, has said on the campaign trail in Bengal that it is better. He says it is better to vote for the BJP. Can you believe it? He has said it is better to vote for the BJP than for a party like the TMC. This is a clear and unequivocal comment, ladies and gentlemen. One non-BJP party, the Congress, is telling voters it is better if you vote for the Bharatiya Janata Party than if you vote for the TMC. Now, what does it amount to? It amounts to what we can all hear and what we can all understand. It amounts to a topmost Congress leader, the leader of the opposition in the present parliament, telling the voters that the BJP is a good choice, a better choice than another non-BJP party. It amounts to, at this stage of the campaign, the topmost Congress leader speaking for the Congress itself, promoting the BJP on the campaign trail. Why would a statement like this be made? It can't be made to confuse the voter. Leaders like Adhir Chaudhary know exactly what they are talking about. This statement has been made with the principal and only purpose of promoting the BJP and sending an indirect message to the voter that the Congress party has given up, at least so far as Bengal is concerned, in this election. And they should, because they don't exist. But this is the bigger headline today than anything else, viewers. Later, when confronted by the Republic Bangla reporter, this Congress leader, Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary, leader of the opposition in the Lok Sabha, who has promoted the BJP today, assaulted my reporter. Why? Because he was asking him. Look at his face. He assaults the reporter. The reporter continues to ask him. 3 or 4 times the reporter asks him. And then in absolute frustration, realizing that he has revealed his mind, that he is actually promoting the BJP, he turns at the reporter, he assaults him, snatches his mic and twists his hand, ladies and gentlemen. So this is an act of physical assault by the leader of the opposition in parliament on the Republic reporter, and these are the people who talk about the death of democracy. These are the people, please watch them clearly, people like Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary. They have obviously been supporters of the emergency in the past. They represent that kind of a dictatorial mindset. They say dictatorship is going to happen if the BJP wins another election. But we can all see what's happening there. Anyway, leave that apart. My question to you is this. On the eve of voting, if you haven't voted already, isn't it time for you to choose who to vote for? And do these indie parties fighting each other to this extent that one of them is actually promoting the BJP in order to get back at another? Would you trust them with your vote? Would you? If you haven't decided yet, it's time to. That is debate number 1 tonight, viewers. Debate number 1 this evening. The Congress party appears to be reaching new heights of frustration, almost officially pushing for the BJP. Debate number 2, there is no big drop in the voter turnout, unlike what you may have been told, and this has led to another round of battle. The India Alliance partners are questioning why the Election Commission revealed the data 11 days after voting. And debate number 3 this evening, the Samajwadi Party almost supporting the idea of vote jihad and saying this kind of statements are made in excitement. What kind of excitement? Akhilesh Yadav, that you turn the election into a completely communal campaign. That's debate number 3. And here are the headlines. Here are the headlines. Here are the headlines this Wednesday evening on the debate tonight. Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary of the Congress Party says, and he's the topmost Lok Sabha leader of the Congress Party, he says it is much better to vote for the BJP than for the Trinamool Congress. Election Commission data shows that there is no big drop in voter turnout. It's down to just about 2 or 3% at most. Samajwadi Party chief backs the idea of a vote jihad, says these kind of statements are made as the BJP picks it up extremely strongly, saying the Lok Sabha election has been communalized. Amit Shah, Home Minister, meets Neha Hiremath's family as they put a petition before him and promises all help in the case that all of Karnataka is talking about. Very strong action against KCR, banned for campaigning for a short while. Big hit to his campaign. And the Tukre Tukre gang lobby appears to have reached the United States. There are protests, clashes, escalation, much more in violent global Tukre gang protests on America's campuses. Story of the day, ladies and gentlemen. I don't know whether he meant to say it, whether he planned to say it, whether it was part of his intention, whether he was trying to confuse the voter or what he really wanted to do. But Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary, Lok Sabha Congress chief, who has assaulted my reporter today, has said that, and you won't believe it, the Lok Sabha Congress chief has said that it is much better to vote for the BJP, the Bharatiya Janata Party, than to vote for Mamata Banerjee. If this doesn't tell you the condition of the relationship between anti-BJP parties, all of whom hope to come together to form some kind of a Khichdi Sarkar, I don't think there needs to be any further proof than that. This is what he said, and this is how he assaulted our journalist. Ladies and gentlemen, let's debate.
The Congress has officially started campaigning for the BJP.
তৃণমূল কে ভোট দেওয়া মানে তার থেকে ভালো বিজেপি কে ভোট দিয়ে দিলাম তৃণমূল কে ভোট দেওয়া মানে তার থেকে অনেক ভালো বিজেপি কে ভোট দিলাম
When confronted, a frustrated Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary assaults Republic Bangla reporter. Watch how he twists the arm of Republic's reporter, snatches the boom and pushes him away.
বিজেপির পক্ষ থেকে জানানো হচ্ছে দাদা লালগোলাতে আপনি বলেছেন যে তৃণমূল সরকারকে না দাদা লালগোলাতে আপনি বলেছেন যে তৃণমূল না বিজেপিকে যেতে হবে কি বলবেন দাদা দাদা কি বলবেন যা বলেছি আমি
On being asked a straight question on why has the Congress started promoting the BJP, Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary resorts to assault. But this is not the first time Adhir has been walking on the path of Rahul Gandhi. Earlier, when asked for clarity on Amethi candidacy, this is how Rahul had responded.
लोग तो गुजरात छोड़कर पीएम बनने के लिए बनारस आते हैं, आप बाय नाइट चले गए, तो क्या अमेठी या रायबरेली से आप ये बीजेपी वाला क्वेश्चन है, ये पत्रकार का सवाल। पहले ओपनिंग बॉल बीजेपी क्वेश्चन।
Mamata has come down heavily on Sonia Gandhi's key man, calling him a BJP agent.
একটা বহরমপুরের মুর্শিদাবাদের কোনো কাজ করেনি যাকে আপনারা বলতেন ঘরের ছেড়ে। তার নাম বলতে আমার ভালো লাগে না। আমি যেমন গদ্দারেরও নাম বলি না, সেও মনে রাখবেন ইন্ডিয়ান অ্যালায়েন্সের একটা বড় গদ্দার, যে সকালবেলায় বিজেপি পা ধরে, বিকেলবেলায় সিপিএম এর পা ধরে, আর সন্ধ্যেবেলায় নিজের পা ধরে। কংগ্রেসের টিকিটে জিতে লোকসভায় গিয়ে বিরোধী দলনেতা, নেতা না আতা সেটা আমরা জানি না, নেতা হয় মানুষের ছাতা। আপনি নেতা, মানুষের নেতা না ছাতা? কোন কাজটা করেছেন একটু আমায় বলবেন কি?
If reports are to go by, Rahul Gandhi hasn't campaigned for the TMC in Bengal. Is the India alliance now officially imploding? Let's debate.
Go across to our reporter from Republic Bangla, Indrashish Bagchi. Viewers, I'll play the pictures on the screen again. Indrashish was asking a question to Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary, and he asked him that, can you please explain, you have gone to a public rally and you have said it is better to vote for the BJP than to vote for the Trinamool Congress. Can you please explain? I mean, nowhere can anybody in their right mind tell voters to vote for the party they claim to be fighting against. Indrashish, what happened after that? Can you tell us? What happened after that?
देखिए कल अधीर चौधरी बोले थे कि टीएमसी को वोट देने से अच्छा है बीजेपी को वोट देना। इस बात को लेके जब हम उनके ओपिनियन लेने गए तो उन्होंने मेरा शर्ट को कॉलर पकड़ा, रिपब्लिक के बूम को तोड़ने की कोशिश की, कैमरा तोड़ने की कोशिश की। लालगोला में अधीर चौधरी बोले थे कि टीएमसी को वोट देने से अच्छा है बीजेपी को वोट देना। इस बात को लेके देश भर में राजनीतिक माहौल में शोर फैल गया है। इस बात को लेके बहुत बार उनके प्रतिक्रिया लेने की कोशिश किया गया था। बाद में पता चला कि अधीर चौधरी बड़ौआ में रोड शो कर रहा है। शाम की 6:20 में 40 किलोमीटर दूर कुली में पहुंचा। उधर अधीर चौधरी के संग रोड शो में चल रहा था। उसके बाद 6:45 मिनट पे अधीर चौधरी से मिला और कल के मंतव्यों को लेके जब उनको सवाल किया गया, इस घटना के बाद अधीर चौधरी कांग्रेस कैंडिडेट बहरमपुर लोकसभा, उन्होंने मेरा शर्ट का कॉलर पकड़ा, रिपब्लिक के बूम को तोड़ने की कोशिश की, कैमरा को तोड़ने की कोशिश की। एंड इस घटना के बाद में मेरा सीनियर एडिटर शुभ्रांशु चटर्जी को कॉल किया और सब कुछ बताया किया घटना के बारे में। बाद में लोकल्स पीपल ने मुझे मदद की उस परिस्थिति से निकलने में। आपको जानिए इस बात के लेके देश भर में राजनीतिक माहौल में शोर फैल गया है। अधीर चौधरी कांग्रेस लीडर 5 टाइम्स का कांग्रेस सांसद, कांग्रेस एमपी बहरमपुर लोकसभा में, उन्होंने कल अधीर चौधरी बोले थे कि टीएमसी को वोट देने से अच्छा है बीजेपी को वोट देना। इस बात को लेके जब हम उनके मेरे शर्ट के कॉलर पकड़ा, रिपब्लिक के बूम को तोड़ने की कोशिश की, कैमरा को तोड़ने की कोशिश की।
Indrashish, thank you very much. Pankaj, was this an attempt by Adhir Chaudhary to save democracy?
See, any attempt on media by anyone is deplorable. I don't endorse this. But about the whole controversy...
No, don't go away from that. First of all, let's discuss the mad and crazy, violent behavior of the Lok Sabha opposition leader.
I don't endorse this.
Is it not mad? Would you use the word mad, crazy, violent? What is the word you would use for it?
I mean anyone who
No, these are the people who say we are going to save the media. Rohan Somen Mitra.
anyone who
Rohan
corrects
Somen
the
Mitra,
media
who
or
supports the
anyone
Congress.
else
Yes,
in
Rohan?
any way
Yes, I support the
direct-
Congress and I'm
direct-
here to defend Mr. Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary. Clearly, two things. It's 42 degrees, 43 degrees. When you pick on a man who's 8 seconds of a long speech and you interpret it in a completely different way and you keep telling him the same thing over and over again, and while he's campaigning for a seat, and couple of things here.
So you can beat up a reporter or two.
No.
No. So the
definitely.
logic is,
I haven't said that.
one
No,
or
I'm
two
not saying
reporters,
that.
you can
You're
hold them by the
interpreting your-
collar, you can break
You're
their
putting
mic,
words into my
you can
mouth.
behave in
No,
a
you're
mad
putting words
way,
in my mouth.
you can do, it's normal. Abhi
No,
to
but the
Congress
other-
is not
other
in
thing is
power
also
yet.
not
You
fair,
people
no.
say no, after we come to power, we have seen. We have seen. Have we not seen, Sandeep? Sandeep, we've seen.
You're portraying the wrong information.
No. We'll come to that second. We'll come to that second. No, 1 minute. I don't portray anything. If a person says it is better to vote for the BJP, and that is the comment, exact words made by him, than to
In a
vote for the
8-second
Trinamool
comment,
Congress,
8 second of a
he's
15
basically...
minute speech.
No, one. That's not the point is. I'll come to that. First, the physical assault. Look at the man.
Okay.
He is India's opposition leader in the Lok Sabha, no less. Sandeep.
See, first of all, Arnab, I would say that although people accuse BJP of being inclined towards one party, that you guys, not BJP, sorry, my apologies, Republic, that you guys get bashed up by everybody shows that probably you people are the most independent. You get bashed up by Trinamool, you get bashed up by Congress, who's supposedly the ally of Trinamool, but also in this particular case are against. So I think your reporters must be doing something very right, and I must compliment them for it, that they're doing. And so it's an even-handed thing. Now, secondly, Arnab, if I were to comment here, I think both Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary and Mamata Banerjee's ire is directed at the same person or the same target, and that's not BJP. Both of them are angry with the Congress High Command. I don't want to, neither is Rahul Gandhi and company coming to help Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary, neither are they trying to help the India Alliance. So even during the assembly election, he was left to fend for himself. And he had a tough time doing so. So it's Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary, I was never a great admirer of him, never a great supporter, but now I in some ways, I empathize with him. This man has gone through so much of humiliation in parliament, elsewhere, just to defend the Congress party. But now to be orphaned in this manner, I think he must be feeling a lot of pain, and therefore, if he has reacted to your people, I would sort of, cut the slack.
Now let's come to the meat of what he said here. What has he said here? Sanju Verma, they are saying that no, you are not looking at the whole comment. I will read the whole comment, Pankaj. You should also read, okay? He has said, why vote for the TMC? It is much better to vote for the BJP. Now, whatever his reason, he does not want the Muslim vote to be divided, etc. He has said, it is important for Congress and left to win. Voting for TMC means voting for BJP. So rather than vote for TMC, it is better that you vote for the BJP only.
And after that, he said, don't vote for BJP.
After that, you can say what you want.
No, in continuation.
The statement has been made.
No.
A Congress, no. Suppose you say,
vote for BJP.
Pankaj, don't confuse the voter. Pankaj, a topmost Congress leader is promoting the BJP. That's how I see it.
No, he is not promoting.
Why is he promoting the BJP?
Please, no. He where did he say vote for BJP?
Of course,
there are some.
He has said
but there are.
See, you guys.
There are some journalists, public influential media barons.
Pankaj, you people were supposed to be joining hands together. This was the India Alliance. You all came together 5 months back in a 7-star hotel in Bombay. You forgot, and now you are saying it is better to vote for BJP than one of us. This is how I read it. You people now people. If you're watching the program tonight, do you feel confident in this? I'll just give you Sanju is on the debate, ladies and gentlemen. 2 versus 2, Sanju on the debate.
TMC
Sanju.
and Congress are not
Thank you.
fighting this
Arnab, can I
parliament
please-
election.
No. 1 minute.
Pankaj ji, may I?
No.
But the fact remains.
Baba, you
and it
have
remains
misled
strongly
people.
that
You have
TMC is a
misled
part of
people. You
Indian
said
bloc.
you said you are
Therefore,
forming an
Adhir
alliance.
Ranjan Chaudhary ji should have taken and must always take utmost care while speaking about an
I know
alliance.
Sanju.
But
I need to come in now. Thank you.
String of denial,
You know-
Sanju on one side right now, ladies and gentlemen, yes, and Anurag Bhadoria and Neil Basu on the right, yeah.
Okay. Arnab, before making my points, I would just like to quote a few lines. ताउम्र गालिब मैं भूल करता रहा, ताउम्र गालिब मैं ये भूल करता रहा, धूल चेहरे पर थी और मैं आईना साफ करता रहा, धूल चेहरे पर थी और मैं आईना साफ करता रहा. The reason I'm quoting these famous lines is because
ये तो बहुत पुराना है,
कबाल.
कुछ नया
अरे
सुनाइए,
भाई
बहुत
साहब
पुराना
आपको
है,
वक्त
लोगों ने
मिलेगा.
बहुत
Look
सुनाया
at this man. I've barely started. और now let him
अरे कुछ
speak.
नया सुनाइए,
ठीक है,
कुछ
बोल
नया
लीजिए.
सुनाइए, बहुत
आप बोल
पुराना है।
लीजिए. आप बोल लीजिए.
बहुत पुराना
आपके
है।
बोलने के बाद मैं बोलूंगी. चलिए.
अनुराग जी, इनके बाद
मैं
आपके पास
बोलूंगी,
आ
आप
रहा
बोल
हूं.
लीजिए.
अनुराग जी, 2 मिनट में आपके पास आ रहा हूँ. आपको जल्दी क्या है? समय है
आपको
ना?
नया सुनाता
समय आप वो बोल ले, उसके बाद आप कुछ नया सुनाइए. आप नया सुनाइए. आप नया सुनाइए. आज आप नया सुनाइए, उनके बाद.
ये बोलते तो अच्छा लगता है.
नहीं, ये पुराना कर रहे हैं.
अरे भाई साहब चुप हो जाइए.
नहीं, मैं बता रहा हूँ.
अरे आप चुप हो जाइए ना, प्लीज.
तरीके से बोल रहा था. मैं
आपकी बारी में आप बोल लेना, अनुराग भट्ट.
तो ये जनता
प्लीज आस्क दिस मैन टू स्पीक. आई विल स्टार्ट आफ्टर ही इज डन.
इतना प्यार से जनता के साथ झूठ आपने बोला है. अब चूंकि आपको हिसाब देने का समय है, 10 साल के बाद आपको हिसाब देना, जनता को 10 साल का हिसाब देना है कि आपने 10 साल में जनता के लिए क्या किया है, जनता के लिए क्या काम किया आपने. महंगाई ज़्यादा है, लोग परेशान हैं, बेरोजगारी से लोग परेशान हैं, किसान परेशान है, छात्र परेशान है, स्वास्थ्य व्यवस्था चरमराई हुई है, शिक्षा व्यवस्था के बारे में कोई पूछने वाला नहीं, पेपर लीक हो रहा है. तो आप किसके बारे में बात करना चाहते हैं? इस पे कहीं बताएंगे कि नहीं बताएंगे? देश में देश पे कर्जा हो गया 2 लाख.
एक मिनट. अनुराग जी,
10 साल में 1.5 लाख करोड़ का कर्जा देश के ऊपर लाद दिया.
अनुराग जी,
कह रहे हैं कि चेहरे पे
अनुराग जी, आप रुक जाइए ना. आप I'll tell you. Okay, volume down. अनुराग जी, the question is, चलिए आपको सवाल चाहिए तो सवाल बोलो. 1 मिनट. अनुराग जी,
कम से कम जनता की
ये क्या है?
देख पाएगी.
Look at this
पहले तो आप वोट जिहाद की बात करते हैं. पहले तो आप वोट जिहाद की बात करते हैं.
पार्टी चेहरे पे धूल.
आपको
लगा कि आने जनता तो सही थी.
such a nuisance.
जनता के बारे में आपने सोचा कब जरा बता दीजिए.
Anurag Bhadoria is such a nuisance.
तो आप करेंगे नहीं.
And Arnab is not going to moderate this man. He's giving him a free run for reasons best known to him.
आप करेंगे ममता दीदी.
संजू, let me ask him. फिर अधीर जी क्यों बोल रहे हैं कि बीजेपी को वोट
आप
करो?
करेंगे डीएमके की.
अधीर रंजन चौधरी कोई छोटे मोटे नेता नहीं है. अधीर रंजन चौधरी कांग्रेस पार्टी के बहुत वरिष्ठ नेता है. लोकसभा में उनके बॉस है, चीफ है. ऑपोजिशन के भारत के लोकसभा में वो चीफ है. वो बीजेपी को प्रमोट करे तो हेडलाइन नहीं बनती है.
तो
और यूपी
आप भी जाके करेंगे ऐसे बीजेपी को प्रमोट?
क्या बीजेपी को?
May I please finish what I was saying?
सुनिए ना, मैंने सुना है वो कोट. एक्चुअल क्या है दिक्कत आज भारतीय जनता पार्टी और
पहले तो आपको बांग्ला समझ में नहीं आता. आपने क्या सुना है? आपको समझ में नहीं आया होगा.
अरे उन्होंने कहने
आपको बांग्ला समझ में आता है क्या?
कहने का तरीका होता है.
यू अंडरस्टैंड बंगाली?
उन्होंने कहा क्योंकि वहां पे 2 पार्टी आपस में लड़ रही हैं.
टीएमसी
भी लड़ रही है, कांग्रेस भी लड़ रही है. टीएमसी कांग्रेस सामने सामने. पश्चिम बंगाल में लड़ रहे हैं. तो पश्चिम बंगाल में तो अपने हिसाब से बातें रख रहे हैं. आपने उसको नहीं, उसका नैरेटिव ऐसा आप बनाना चाहते हैं.
वीडियो दिखाइए ना जहां पे बोल रहे हैं. पहले उनको वो वाला क्लिप दिखाइए ना. एक
पूरे
क्लिप
हिंदुस्तान में बातें कर रहे हैं. वो आप नैरेटिव चेंज करना चाहते हैं.
एक मिनट. One point. I want to tell you the significance. ये रुकेंगे नहीं. Now I'll get someone else opposite you. 1 minute.
Can I just finish what I was saying?
आप रुक जाइए. Sanju with right now will complete her point. Sanju, what is being said here is that Congress was not promoting the BJP.
मैं आईना साफ करता
We did not. और अगर promote कर दिया तो गलती में promote की है.
मैं आपको एक
Arnab, can you moderate the debate?
Continue, please. Okay, now Anurag off the screen for a while, please. I'll get him back. It's impossible.
Bhadoria is such a pain in the...
No, please now. Please.
क्यों तोड़ते हैं? आप देखिए, आपके पास कोई मुद्दा नहीं है.
एक मिनट. अनुराग जी.
This man.
Yes, Anurag ji, 2 मिनट शांत हो जाइए, please. Thank you.
Thank you. Okay. I think Sandeep actually put it very succinctly, Arnab. you guys must be really doing a good job, because in February 2024, I don't like to say it, but your colleague Shantu Pan, he was arrested and the Kolkata High Court had to intervene to ensure that the TMC government did not victimize him any further. And then today you have Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary, again from the Alliance, who was so rude and uncouth. Being a public representative, one expected him to be more courteous. I will just say this. Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary is not a small fish. He's been a member of parliament from Berhampur since 1999. He was the MOS Railways from 2012 to 2014. He's currently the working president of the West Bengal Pradesh Congress Committee.
Wrong. He's the president of the Bengal Congress.
Can I please finish? Who the hell is this now?
You're wrong. So I'm just telling you that. He's the president. You said working president.
Yes,
he's the president, ma'am.
Acting president is what I said. Acting president, working president means the same thing. Keep quiet. You will
he's neither of them. He's the president. There is not working president or acting president. He's the president. He's been the president for 3.5 years.
You can ask this man to continue.
So why is the president of the Bengal Congress told people it is better to vote for the BJP?
No, let me answer that.
Why? Why would anyone in their right mind do that?
I just wanted to see she was factually wrong. That's it.
Oh my God. Can I please? Or can I finish? Now this person who's giving me gyan about me being factually wrong, let me show him the mirror. I did not want to make this personal. What did Rahul Gandhi say? Rahul Gandhi said this about the Prime Minister at a rally very recently, and this clip is viral on social media. And कान खोल के सुनो अभी. आप यहाँ मुझे भाषण दे रहे हो. आपको पता है नरेंद्र मोदी बहुत बड़ा झूठा है. नरेंद्र मोदी थर-थर कांपता है.
Again you're doing whataboutery. Again you're going off topic and doing whataboutery. You were wrong about Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary's designation. That's why I corrected. Please come back to the debate. Please come back to the debate. You were wrong about his designation. That's all. You were wrong about his designation.
So stop lecturing me.
You're doing whataboutery again.
Can you wait for your turn, Rohan Mitra? Stop being a moron on national television. Stop being a moron on national television.
Please go on. You're just doing wrong. What about his designation? You were wrong about his designation. I'm just clearing that for your viewer. Nothing else, nothing more.
Yes, so wait for your turn. Arnab, first and foremost, cutting through the noise, I would like to make one very important point in 30 seconds, because I think let's not lose the narrative amidst the din, which is what the Alliance wants to do. For people who say Narendra Modi has done nothing in the last 10 years, and more importantly, for the benefit of your audience, who are the most important stakeholders in this debate, very quickly, 12 crore toilets built under Swachh Bharat Yojana, more than 40 crore loan applications processed under Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana, more than 33 crore Ayushman cards given by way of free health insurance to the poor, more than 10 crore Ujjwala gas connections given to the poor and the needy, more than 35 crore insurance applications.
1 minute. Sanju, go back to the debate. Your 30 seconds are up and I'm now intervening. Let's 1 minute. Please bear with me. So we remain focused on the debate. It has been told to me, एक minute. Just 1 minute. It has been told to me that before and after he said that it is better to vote for the BJP, he also said something else. Okay. Understood your point. Now, question being, Siddhabrata Das and Neil Basu. Let me start with you, Neil. How do you view this? Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary, Lok Sabha Congress chief, asks the crowd to vote for the BJP instead of the Trinamool Congress. And this happens in an election rally in Murshidabad, where TPM State Secretary Mohammad Salim is the Indy bloc candidate.
No.
So the Indy Alliance, and he is on stage. He does not interrupt or stop Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary. He hears Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary saying it is better to vote for the BJP. He does not intervene. He's sitting there. Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary is saying better vote for BJP than vote for Trinamool. He does not intervene. How do you view this, Neil?
आप झूठ बोल रहे हो. आप अर्नब आप झूठ बोल रहे हो।
अरे इतनी
नहीं,
जल्दी
आप
झूठ
उसका
बोलने की
narrative
बात मत
change
करिए,
करो।
सब कुछ टेप पर है।
Narrative change करना बात
अच्छा ये नील बासु की बात सुनिए, तृणमूल कांग्रेस के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू को सुनिए। लिसन टू द तृणमूल कांग्रेस पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू। नील बासु ऑन द डिबेट। नील बासु। Neil Basu, please. Neil Basu, Anurag, please wait. Neil.
I think the electorate of Berhampur, that is the people of Berhampur constituency, assembly constituency, are very much vigilant about their rights. They are very much vigilant what they should do. Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary, what Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary says, what XYZ anybody says, will have any impact upon the electorate, because the electorate is of the Berhampur assembly constituency knows whom to vote, how to vote, and who have done development. So it is needless for Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary to say whether voting for BJP will be better than voting for Trinamool. It will not play any impact, I think so. And BJP on this aspect is nothing to be excited about, because the BJP is howling at this and saying that yes, vote for BJP, not vote for Trinamool. This is something, a great thing by which BJP's vote bank will increase. There is nothing to be excited about. The electorate of Murshidabad, of the Berhampur, that which falls under the district of Murshidabad, is very much vigilant. They know who have done what works have been done in last 5 years, and how have they been benefited from different policies.
नहीं ये मुझे बताइए। नहीं और एक सवाल मेरा ये है, और एक सवाल मेरा है ये, मैं आई वांट टू आस्क दिस क्वेश्चन इन हिंदी टू अनुराग भदौरिया। यू नो अनुराग जी, इसको क्या कहते हैं ना कि जबान फिसल जाना, तो हिंदी में कहते हैं हमारी जबान फिसल गई, हम ये नहीं कहना चाहते थे, हम कुछ और कहना चाहते, बात निकल गई, मगर जो दिल की बात होती है ना ऐसे ही फिसल जाती है। जैसे शिवपाल सिंह यादव है, समाजवादी के बहुत बड़े नेता है, आई डोंट नो इफ यू हैव हर्ड, उन्होंने भी कहीं पे कह दिया है, क्या कहा है जरा बता दीजिए। शिवपाल यादव ने क्या ये सच है कहा है दैट वी हैव टू मेक द बीजेपी विन बाय अ ह्यूज मार्जिन।
अब आप सुन लीजिए
क्यों हो रहा है ये? why are your India Alliance leaders saying these things?
सुनिए मैं अपनी
नहीं, शिवपाल यादव ने क्या कहा जरा रिपीट करिए।
नहीं मैं बता रहा हूं,
शिवपाल यादव ने क्या कहा जरा बताइए।
अच्छा मैं बता रहा हूं, अरे बोल रहा हूं, एक इनके मंत्री हैं जो मैनपुरी से लड़ रहे हैं, मैनपुरी से एक चौहान है, भारतीय जनता पार्टी के मंत्री हैं, वो क्या उन्होंने पता क्या बोला, डिंपल जी जीतेंगी, समाजवादी पार्टियां भारी महोत से जीतेगी, उन्होंने बोला ये, और विपक्ष में लड़ रहे हैं वो डिंपल जी के सामने लड़ रहे हैं, तो इसका मतलब क्या हुआ जरा आप सुना दीजिए, आप सुना दीजिए। तो ये
शिवपाल यादव ने क्यों कहा कि आप बीजेपी के लिए भारी महोत से वोट दीजिए?
किसने क्या बोला, कैसे क्या बोला?
What do you mean किसने क्या बोला? स्टेज से बोला वोट फॉर बीजेपी।
प्रत्याशी उसने क्या बोला? बीजेपी के लोकसभा प्रत्याशी जो मैनपुरी से, उन्होंने क्या बोला था? उन्होंने बोला समाजवादी पार्टी जीतेगी, तो इसका मतलब क्या हुआ मैं आपसे पूछना चाहता हूं। तो ये जो आनव पूरा देश हंस रहा होगा कि रिपब्लिक को कोई पॉइंट ही नहीं मिला, ये इसकी जीप फिसल गई, उसको पकड़ लो, उसकी जीप फिसल, अरे जीप तो सबसे ज्यादा फिसलती किसकी आप भी अच्छी तरह जानते हैं, इसलिए मुझे बोलने की जरूरत नहीं है। सवाल यह है कि आप मुद्दों पे चर्चा नहीं करना चाहते, आप
मुद्दा तो सबसे बड़ा मुद्दा है,
मुद्दों पे चर्चा।
अच्छा मुद्दा बताता हूं आपको, मैं मुद्दा बताता हूं, मुद्दे पे आइए, मुद्दे कम ऑन द मुद्दा है कि केरला में आप बोल रहे हैं कि कांग्रेस लैक्स द मोटिवेशन टू फाइट द बीजेपी।
हिम्मत है कि डेवलपमेंट पे चर्चा करेगी।
प्रियंका गांधी कहती है केरला चीफ मिनिस्टर ओनली अटैक्स द कांग्रेस।
इन मुद्दों पे चर्चा नहीं करेगी, वो चर्चा किस पे करनी, वो चर्चा किस पे करना चाहते हैं कि चेहरे पे धूल थी आईना साफ करते रहे, चेहरे पे धूल थी आईना साफ करते रहे, इस पे चर्चा करती है। बताइए आप, कमाल है, कमाल है भाई, ये पहली बार देख।
संजू वर्मा लाउडा
किसमें कर रही है?
संजू लाउडा
पे धूल थी आईना साफ,
संजू लाउडा,
कमाल है भाई,
संजू
निशान भी नहीं दिखाई पड़ता है, भी नहीं दिखाई पड़ता है, चेहरे पे धूल थी, आईना साफ करते हैं। बिल्कुल सही है, भारतीय जनता पार्टी के चेहरे पे धूल होगी, वो आईना साफ करे तो आपने जनता के बारे में सोचा ही नहीं, आपको जनता की समस्या दिखाई नहीं पड़ती है, आपको जनता के, आपको समाजवादी की चिंता है, कांग्रेस की चिंता है, टीएमसी की चिंता है, दूसरी पार्टियों की चिंता है, जनता की चिंता नहीं है, महिलाओं की चिंता नहीं है, किसानों की चिंता नहीं है, युवाओं की चिंता नहीं है, कमाल है उनकी मेडिकल फैसिलिटी की चिंता नहीं है,
संजू
चिंता है आपको हिंदुस्तान के मुद्दों पे आपको हिंदुस्तानियों की बात कर रहा हूं, आप हिंदुस्तान की जनता के साथ हैं, मैं हिंदुस्तान की जनता के साथ,
समाजवादी पार्टी लीडर आईपी सिंह कॉल्स राहुल गांधी
आप खड़े नहीं खड़े जरा बता दीजिए, यहाँ पे युवा बेरोजगारी से जूझ रहे हैं, आप
अखिलेश यादव के साथ अखिलेश यादव
खड़ा हूं, आप खड़े की नहीं बता दीजिए, खड़ी है कि नहीं खड़ी है, कांग्रेस आप बताइए बेरोजगारी लाने के लिए, मैं छात्रों के साथ खड़ा हूं, डिप्लोरेबल लैंग्वेज बताइए, आप हमारे साथ खड़े कि नहीं खड़े, आप मेरे साथ आगे खड़े होइए,
Congress wanted to fight on Bijnor. You refused to give Congress Bijnor. Congress wanted to fight on Moradabad. You refused to give Congress Moradabad. Congress wanted to fight on Balia. You refused to give Congress Balia. And you are sitting here and saying such changashi between the alliance partners. Do you think the people are fools?
Okay, I just want to tell you, Sanju, some breaking news. Breaking news. Top Trinamool leader Firhad Hakim सबने नाम सुना होगा. Topmost Trinamool leader Mamata Banerjee's right-hand man Firhad Hakim has now issued a breaking news statement, ladies and gentlemen. Firhad Hakim has said, Siddhabrata Das, Firhad Hakim has said that the Congress is working in this election like an agent of the BJP. He has said this party, the Congress party, is a BJP agent. Why has he said that? And how do you view this statement that has been made by Adhir Chaudhary that vote for BJP, it is much better to vote for BJP than it is to vote for Trinamool?
Arnav, you understand Bengali, so I am saying that there is a line in Bengali that Biporit Kale Buddhi Nash, that when your demise is very near, you do things which bring your demise even sooner. The thing is that Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary is under the payroll of BJP for long. This statement is not surprising for us who keenly follow the politics of Bengal. We know very well that Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary, rather than working for Congress, he works for BJP when it comes to the state of West Bengal. He has been doing this for quite a long time, and along with his friends, Mohammad Salim and others, the entire group here is actually working for BJP.
It's a very big statement that you are making.
The fight is between Trinamool Congress and BJP.
You're making a very big point. You are saying, are you saying, Siddhabrata, are you saying that the topmost opposition leader in the Lok Sabha of India, Lok Sabha opposition chief, Siddhabrata, listen to me. Siddhabrata, listen to me for a minute. Is my audio going through? Foldback higher in the Kolkata studio, please. My foldback has to be higher in the studio.
From which
no, it's not a call. It's
comes out of the 7
increase my foldback in the Kolkata studio.
Were won by Trinamool Congress in 2021, and the only seat which is in the home turf of Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary was won by BJP. Not one seat won by Congress.
Arnav, can I come in,
know
please?
very well that in a few days' time,
Trinamool hits back. Breaking news: Trinamool hits back. Calls Congress BJP agent. Now, what is the truth? What is the truth here?
Chaudhary is about to lose the election.
Rohan, what is the truth here? Is the Lok Sabha opposition chief working on behalf of the BJP? Is that the reason he has said vote for BJP?
No, a couple of points here. I'm surprised that the Delhi media does not follow up on what's happening in Bengal politics. Since 2012, the Congress has never allied with the TMC. We have been fighting the TMC. So why is it that every time that,
then why are you saying vote?
In 2021, I have been on your show when the poll violence was going on, when the Congress people were being attacked. We've been defending ourselves. So why is it that the Delhi thinks that, the Delhi media thinks that the Congress it's fine. The TMC is going to make those accusations against the Congress in Bengal, and vice versa. The Congress, Adhir Chaudhary, if you see his speech today in totality, taking outside that 8 second, which you just clarified previously, He's saying that, please vote for the left and the Congress. It was in Jangipur.
No. He is making a one minute. Just one minute.
Second.
One minute. He has said later, don't vote for BJP, don't vote for Trinamool Congress. But before that, he has said, it is better to vote for the BJP only than to vote for Trinamool Congress. Has he said that or not? Has he said that or not?
If you
I'm reading his speech. Chidambrata, that's what he said. Now Trinamool has called you a BJP agent.
Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary works for BJP.
No, that is the whole thing. The whole Delhi media to say
this is a bitter
that the
truth.
Congress and the Trinamool.
This is a bitter truth, but we all know that Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary works for BJP. It is because of Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary that the seat adjustment in West Bengal did not happen.
Vote for the left.
It is because of Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary. The fight against BJP in West Bengal is solely fought by TMC.
Since 2021.
Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary does not want
words can be misconstructed in any way.
a joint fight against BJP.
If
Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary rather prefers.
Okay, this is a very, it's a very, why am I doing this debate tonight? I'll tell you. Sanju and Sandeep on one side and Pankaj and Anurag on the other, and Neil also. Let us go back 6 months, Sandeep. They said we will offer new hope to this country. We are going to use the name of the country to define our alliance. We will provide refreshing change, new ideas, artificial intelligence, this and that. They need artificial intelligence for sure, because the common intelligence is not working. Now, this is what they are doing today.
I'm surprised that you mentioned
पंकज जी क्या हुआ तेरा वादा वो कसम वो इरादा
Arnab, I'm surprised they're
not क्या हुआ
बीजेपी का वादा
This is a deep fake.
बीजेपी का वादा क्या हुआ क्या हुआ बीजेपी का वादा क्या हुआ बीजेपी का वादा 15 लाख रुपए हर एक अकाउंट में आएंगे क्या हुआ वो कसम वो इरादे क्या हुआ क्या हुआ क्या हुआ पार हो गया 30-40 रुपए से आना था क्या हुआ क्यूटो बनने वाला था 100 स्मार्ट सिटी बनने वाली थी क्या हुआ रुपया पतला हो रहा था डॉलर के मुकाबले अब तो रुपया और क्या हुआ तेरा वादा क्या हुआ किसान बनने वाली थी क्या हुआ तेरा वादा वही है ना तुम तो धोखेबाज भूल जाते हो अरे नहीं मात्र 5 मिनट बोल दो भूल जाती है ये वादा किया था ना कौन धोखेबाज जनता के साथ वादे किए थे समाज के अंदर भाईचारा पैदा करेंगे देश की युवाओं को रोजगार देके उनको पैरों पे खड़ा करेंगे कि 5 किलो चावल 5 किलो आटा में लाइन लगाने के लिए तो नहीं बोला था आपने 2014 में आप जब चुनाव लड़ रहे थे बोले थे हम आएंगे सत्ता में 5 किलो चावल 5 किलो आटा में नहीं हम लोगों को पैरों पे खड़ा करेंगे लोगों को पैर पे कहां खड़ा किया लाइन में खड़ा कर दिया 5 किलो चावल 5 किलो आटा में ये पैरों पे खड़ा करना बोलते हैं इसको आप बोलते हो देश की इकोनॉमी 5 ट्रिलियन हो गई 5 ट्रिलियन की करना सेठों के लिए 5 ट्रिलियन हो गई क्या गरीब आदमी तो और गरीब हो गया गरीब आदमी जो रोजगार की जगह लाइन में लगा दिया बेरोजगारी बढ़ गई कौन है बीजेपी तो धोखेबाज है वादा करके भूल जाती है
संजू ऑन द डिबेट राइट नाउ संजू
बीजेपी धोखेबाज
गाना बंद कीजिए
दिखते हैं तुम अपना दाम तो बोलो यहाँ ईमान भी दिखते हैं आप लोगों ने अपना ईमान बेच दिया है आप लोगों ने अपना ईमान बेच दिया है इसलिए जनता ने आपको नकार दिया है
बीजेपी ने जनता के लिए
तहजीब भी दिखती है
जनता के लिए बीजेपी ने जनता के साथ धोखा किया है जनता के साथ किया है देश की जनता के साथ
Swayam Asta says basically even the Congress wants the BJP to win. Live tonight Riyansh Gupta says it's the frustration of the Congress that has reached his peak. Don't blame them. Pappu is to be blamed. And Pooja Sengupta says we also Adhir Ranjan assaulted the Republic reporter. Just because Republic does journalism fearlessly, these cowards attack them. He must apologize. I don't expect an apology. Now, let's look at the bigger picture here. Sandeep, Sandeep and Pankaj looking increasingly confused, looking left and right, remembering the good old times when he used to come on television and say there's going to be a new start with the India Alliance. Sandeep, where is it all ending now? This fragmentation of the vote that's happening, what does it mean in Bengal and nationally?
I think Pankajji will now speak the same language. You know, we are friends at a place called IIC in Delhi. And he has a friend in Madhya Pradesh who now is out of the reckoning, so we can speak on the same breath. Pankajji, I think what is happening today, this is all the ire against Rahul Gandhi because he is operating in a different universe. I agree with someone who said that BJP, Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary's statement is not going to help BJP in Murshidabad. But Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary's statement is going to help BJP in the rest of West Bengal. Somebody also added there, I heard.
Exactly.
They even Salim, Mohammed Salim is working for BJP.
No, he has established.
But there are some journalists, influential media barons who, to perhaps gratify their masters, have to run the dirty tricks department. What can one do?
Pankaj, is this a deepfake video or a real video? Is this a deepfake video or a real video?
It's a real video.
It's a real video. So in the real video, 1 minute, what he is saying today, think about it seriously. One minute. I'll get Neil also. One minute. Listen to me, Baba. Listen to Pankaj, listen to me. The point being this, okay? And only Adhir is running his own agenda. Nobody can run his agenda. The point being, what will voters across Bengal and rest of the country think? Neil, can I explain this to you? He's not an influential media baron who has to run anyone's agenda. Let me tell you, what he's saying is that Sandeep is saying that this comment, by saying this, the Congress party is establishing the BJP as a very important player and playing down the Trinamool as a small player. This has to, the only intention can be that...
This is a precursor of things to come. Arnab, this is a precursor of things to come.
If you see the last 2-3 years, the stand of Congress is different in the...
We will improve our vote share and also the number of seats by at least 30 to 40%. The number of seats that the BJP will get this time will be at least 30 to 40% higher than the 18 seats that we won in Lok Sabha 2019 from West Bengal.
Okay, I have a...
And Mamata Banerjee is in for a...
There is a huge difference between the Congress...
Neil!
There is a huge difference between the functioning of Congress party in Central as well as in West Bengal. There is clear distinction. Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary's functioning was always questionable. Why?
Can I play the bite? I've just got a comment of Firhad Hakim, top Trinamool leader. This is an official statement of the Trinamool Congress from Firhad Hakim on the Congress leader asking people to vote for the BJP instead of the TMC. Firhad Hakim, please, on air.
Major political controversy erupted while Adhir Chaudhary, in a political campaign, clearly said that the people must vote for BJP rather than voting for TMC. And right now, senior TMC leader Firhad Hakim is joining with us. Mr. Hakim, what Adhir Chaudhary said? We heard that Adhir Chaudhary is speaking that people should vote for BJP rather than they should vote for Trinamool Congress. Sir, how do you react with this?
I am sure that Adhir Chaudhary is with CPM apparently, but inside stories, he is actually a BJP agent.
Adhir Chaudhary is a BJP agent?
Yes. And he is always helping BJP in his own constituency and by telling all the nonsense against our leader Mamata Banerjee, that will strengthen the hand of BJP. That is why we disagreed to stay in India, in West Bengal, because of that Adhir Chaudhary. And I am sure that he will see that, and he will see that he is working in behest of BJP.
But sir, one thing, Adhir Chaudhary is a Congress leader in Lok Sabha. And we witness that Adhir Chaudhary constantly speaks against BJP.
That's the unfortunate part of the Congress.
Now, viewers, big headline today, therefore, 2024 elections, new twist. The accusation against the Lok Sabha opposition leader is that he's a BJP agent. After he says it is better to vote for the BJP than another non-Indi party. There is nothing
But
left to
on
the
a more
imagination.
serious note, what wrong has Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary said on a more serious note?
Well, he
The Congress
happens to
got
be a...
93%
Well,
vote share in 2021
is evident.
assembly
He will
elections in
lose.
West Bengal.
He will lose.
And
His
in
loss
Lok
is
Sabha
evident.
2019,
He will
the Congress
lose.
had just a
Ladies and gentlemen,
5%
closing this
vote
part of the
share.
debate tonight. And on the other side, when I come back, why the voter turnout is not really bad at all. There is no big drop. In case you ever thought it, there is no big drop, and that's a slap in the face of all the people who did some deep analysis on why there was a drop when there was none. In a few minutes. Back.